Welcome! Understand how to connect two different LAN using router practically in Cisco Packet Tracer. So what is router? Connects two or more different local area networks. It is a layer 3 device that operates network layer. Source routing table. Router, inevitable device in the internet. So let's create a router using Cisco Packet Tracer. So open your Cisco Packet Tracer app.
Firstly, we will create two local area networks. So for that, I am bring the Cisco switch. I am bring two switches. So these two switches are used for creating two different local area networks. So let me create a local area network in the right side and then the left side.
So let's us have 6 PC, 3 PC for the left side and 3 PC for the right side.
Click the workspace and click then devices. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. Now we need a cable, the straight through cable, in order to connect the devices into the switch. So click the PC and click the connect. Choose cable, the straight through cable, and click the port to port. To be easy to connect, just click the PC and click the auto connect. So now, I have completed connecting the cables between the switch and the PC. So, we will now assign IP address to the all individual PC. We will just establish a local area network. So, for this PC, the first PC in the left side, click the PC and go to the desktop and click the IP configuration. So the IP address of this first PC in the left side is 10.10.10.1 and subnet is 255.0.0.0 and we need a default gateway
Because the router needs the gateway for communication. Because if you have not gateway, the communication will be failed.
This will be a 10.10.10.4.
So click the apply changes.
So this second PC is 10.10.10.2. Subnet is 255.0.0.0 and the
Default gateway
is 10.10.10.4 and then the third PC in the left side 10.10.10.3. The subnet is 255.0.0.0. Gateway is 10.10.10.4. So in the right side, it will be the IP address is 192.168.1.1. The subnet mask will be 255.255.255.0 and the default gateway is 192.168.1.4. The second PC in the right side is 192.168.1.2
And then the subnet
is
mask.
255.255.255.0. Gateway is 192.168.1.4. Then the last 192.168.1.3. Subnet 255.255.255.0. And the default gateway is 192.168.1.4. So far, we have established a local area network, and we will check whether local area network are work fine or not. So in the left side, from this first PC, let me ping the third PC. So click the first PC and click the desktop and click the command prompt. So let's ping 10.10.10.3. So enter. So if you can see where we are able to get reply, it means these computers are reachable. So similarly, from second PC, you have to check whether communication is there within this PC. So ping 10.10.10.2. Enter. So this PC is already get reply. So means this computer are reachable already. So this local area network in the left side is working fine. We will ensure that whether this local area network is also fine in the right side. So just click the first PC and go to the desktop and click the command prompt. So let's ping the second PC. Ping 192.168.1.2. Enter. So we are getting replies. So similarly, ping the third PC. Ping 192.168.1.3. Enter. So this local area network is also working fine because we are able to get reply. So we have established local area 1 and local area network 2. So now let me give a level like this. So click the workspace and click the note. This is a LAN 1. The IP address of this the local area network is 10.10.10.4, and then the subnet is 255.0.0.0. In this right side is local area network 2, and then the IP address is 192.168.1.4, and then the subnet is 255.255.255.0. So it means if this computer want to send some data packet to this computer, it needs a router to do this communication. Now we will bring in a local area into the scenario. So click the workspace and click the router. I will choose the 2911. So we need some interfaces in this router so as to connect one interface to this local area network 1 and another interface in local area number 2. Before that, click the router and let's see the physical view of this router. Go to the physical. Here this router has some interfaces. And we have a switch here. This switch, when you click on the switch, now it is off statement. When you click again, it is on statement now. So router is turning on now. So we need only two interfaces in order to connect these two local area networks. So we need only two interfaces in order to connect these two local area networks. So to be easy to connect this switch and this router, just click the switch and click the auto connect. In the LAN 2, click the switch and click the auto connect. Now we are required to give this IP address to these interfaces. To assign IP address to this interface, we know the name of this interface is
Gigabit Ethernet 0/0.
so just click the router and click the CLI. Click the no and enter. Click the enable. Enter. Type the config T. Enter. And the interface
Gigabit Ethernet 0/0.
so enter IP address 10.10.10.4 and the subnet mask is 255.0.0.0. Just enter and type the no shot.
So now, we'll already assign the IP address of the interface local area network 1.
So let's check already the local area network 2. Interface
Gigabit Ethernet 0/1.
just enter. IP address is 192.168.1.4 and the subnet is 255.255.255.0. No shot.
So now we will already assign the IP address of interface local area network 2.
So if you can see, the router is ready for communication. So now let's click the PC and click the simple PDU and click the destination computer. So let me click the simulation mode.
Now the data is sent to the switch and the reply is sent to the router. Now the router sends the data to the second switch. And the final capture bar forward is successful. It has got the acknowledgement.
This communication is successful. I hope now you are clear with interlocal area network communication in Cisco Packet Tracer.